Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll explore two optional features in the AKAAF platform, markup settings and receipt customization. Please note that both of these features are only available on a specific subscriptions plan. If you don't see this option in your menu, it means they are not included in your current plan. Let's start with markup. When you are sending a transfer, markup allows you to set a profit margin for yourself. You can define your markup as either a fixed amount or a percentage, and it can be customized for each country and transfer type. If you don't set a markup, the system will use the default pricing, and you won't earn any margin from the transaction. So, how do you set it up? First, log in into your account. From the left-hand menu, click on My Markup. On this page, you will see all previously defined markups on the right side. To add a new one, use the top section. First, select the country, for example, India. Then, choose the transfer type, for example, bank transfer. Next, choose whether you want to add a fixed amount or a percentage. Enter your desired value and click Save. Your markup will now appear in the list below. To edit or remove it, click on the three dots menu next to the item. Now, let's move on to receipt customization. This feature allows you to display your own logo on the receipts. Again, this option is only available if your plan includes it. To use it, go to the left-hand menu and click on Receipt Setting. Here, you'll choose whether to show your own logo, the AKAAF logo, or no logo at all. If you choose to upload your own logo, scroll down and use the Upload button. Once uploaded, click Update to save your settings. Now, when you download a receipt from the system, your logo will appear right on it. Thanks for watching. If you need help with other features, feel free to check out our other video guides.